and welcome to Learn with Diva. This world's so dull and black and I hate it. Could you imagine a world without colors? That's better. Look at the purple and pink and white and orange. It makes the world so much better. Did you know 5,000 years ago in China, they used these types of flowers? They also used insects to make natural dyes. Natural dyes are like your normal dyes which color your t-shirt, but they're in a natural way. This year I went to India and my aunt gave me the kit of natural dyes. She has a beautiful collection of natural dyed clothes. Check it out over here. So today we're going to use the natural dyes to color pieces of cloth. So let's get started. By the way, I made a video earlier about tie-dye, which is kind of the same thing as natural dye, but it's with chemicals. Now is way better because we're using natural dye. But you can also check that video if you like over here. And we are here. Let's begin this thing. So, this is the kit my aunt gave me. Now I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside it. So first of all, there are the instructions. Next are the pieces of cloth we're going to color. And finally, we have the natural dyes. So over here, it says like a bunch of natural dyes, most common dyes. So there's indigo. This first one is pomegranate. And the second one is turmeric. I'm in my kitchen because you need your kitchen to make the dye. So first I'm going to choose which color I want. I'm going to go with red. So I got this here. Now I'm going to pour it all in. And back, I'm going to pour it in. Now I'm going to boil this in here for around 1 hour. That's a long time to wait, but I can do it. Hey Google, set a timer for 1 hour. We have 25 minutes to go. Let's see how our dye is looking here. So I'm going to mix it up a bit. Okay Google, stop timer. Now it's kind of done. It's all like wet. And that's the texture we want. So now we have to take the plant material out of this and only leave the water inside. This nice rich color of red. So let's do this! Now I'm going to put this cloth inside. So now I'm going to leave it in here for an hour or so to boil, and I'm going to keep mixing it in the middle. Okay, so more than an hour has passed, and this is how our cloth looks like now. It looks really old, but I'm guessing it'll look better after we wash it in cold water. This doesn't look very good. I'm going to add yellow in and some more water and boil it for another hour and see how it turns out. It looks good, but let's see if it works. This thing is too long to wait. I'm too bored. I have an idea. Let me go to my friend's birthday party. La 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 la. Okay, so now it's I left this overnight. It's turned into a nice orange color. Now we're going to wash it, but this time we won't make the same mistake we did last time, because last time we just washed it with normal water. This time we're going to wash it with something called these white things, and they're called Fitkari and Kashish. I have no idea what those are, but now we're going to take this out and wash it with this white stuff. This looks really good, even though some parts are a bit dull. It turned out to be a great color. Now I understand how much hard work it takes into making this. Now we need to dry this in shade. Okay, so this has all dried up and this is the final product, which doesn't really look that good. But thank you, plant, for giving me your natural colors. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more art together, please subscribe to my channel and keep learning. That didn't work. We'll do it again.